The differences um, are, one is strategic, the other one is operational. Customer experience management is a strategic term. It is a broader term. It encompasses a whole lot of things. Customer experience management is the philosophy that a company will have. It is the long-term strategic um, policy that a company will adopt, or the business orientation or business strategy that a company will be adopting. It will be customer experience management focused. Customer experience, on the other hand, is an operational thing. Um, it is trying to improve little things within the existing system. Customer experience management wants to change the whole system as a whole, as we know it. Um, so it is coming up with a new way of thinking, new way of doing things. Customer experience, CX, is just a bolt-on onto what we already have, um, on the things that we are running currently. Um, so whatever system we have, we're trying to bring in minute improvements into it. Customer experience is trying to redefine and redo the whole system as we know it. Customer experience management is looking at the long term, is giving a vision, a strategic vision of how a company should be run, incorporating customer experience, positive customer experiences, and positive experiences for all stakeholders. So all the key stakeholders in the company. That includes the employees, that includes the partners, and everyone else that comes in contact with the organization. So it's about redoing everything and focusing on providing great experiences to everyone within the organization. It is also about selling experiences to our target audience, or giving positive experiences to our target audience. Customer experience, CX, is more operational. It's looking at our current um, our current system and bringing in minute improvements, bringing in positive experiences in the current set of things. Customer experience management is thinking out of the box. Customer experience is usually limited to that box, that existing system, the old system that we are running, which may not be that great, which may not be that functional. Um, so if we look at it, from the perspective of a manager, we see that customer experience is often limited to middle level managers. If mid management who's involved in this, oftentimes marketing department, there might be a few other elements in a business that will be involved in the customer experience. Customer experience management starts at the top of the organization. So from the CEO, the board, all the way down to the frontline employees. Every single person is involved in customer experience management. In customer experience management, every single department is involved in customer experience management, not just the marketing department. So the IT, the HR, the finance, the operations, the supply chain management, every single department is part of customer experience management. So that's why customer experience management is more important than, say, for example, customer experience. Customer experience just is a basic add-on.